Do you need UVC lights that can kill 99% of viruses and are safe and effective? Larson Electronics has you covered. We offer eye and skin safe Far-UVC lighting products for your home or business. These 222 nanometer UVC germicidal lights offer quiet operation and virus-killing power. And they look awesome! Check out our new wall sconce UV light. These lights are industrial strength and are built right here in our own warehouse. Texas made and Texas strong. Our complete selection includes portable and permanent mount Far UV lights. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out our complete selection at Larson Electronics, American made and manufactured. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.